Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type pedit.msc and press Enter. The Local Group Policy Editor window will open. In the left panel, expand Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Device Guard. On the right side, double-click on Turn on Virtualization-Based Security. Change the option from Not Configured to Enabled. Under Select Platform Security Level, choose Secure Boot or Secure Boot and DMA Protection for stronger security. Under Virtualization-Based Protection of Code Integrity, select Enabled without lock. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes.